Deshmini hero sahib sinpan jemput nam tai khubor laj kam sipai te don kam sipai gi plaj po SSB Sastra Simabal SSB kumba ars pa tame e gi pus te kane kala de plaj nadu ar pui terik March te ka last date kane gi bu lai pus ni lok no ka last date kala jan kande ar pui terik April lani ar pui terik April te gi ko na apply nek pus kan mau ban apply no kloi makaron pos kumtuhi stangkat nosi stayel ne sausni sansni ban apply nam ta nik pus onom se leo ban apply kham slem nam ta kane tang ne penta and wanted application are have eligible and tested candidate for post of head constable steward, head constable communication, head constable electrician, head constable veterinary in SSB te kan ka phya apply online ba ka official website SSB sabu kan ka link hapo official website hapo description tengene page entai kita ki post tengene karon ka head constable steward kane dan tang UR artali head constable communication and don shispa khandai penyo tali ST don khat nyo UR don prap nyo khambon dan electrician ar khandai tali khala UR artali ST kane gare all India ma dan kan wan saka veterinary lai tali UR te ST don re te tal jong baro kalau ars pa lai phulai pay skill kadang ada level 4 arpsan hajar sanspa adu prap way hajar shispa ke jongga euro kali level 4 hi jongga stable steward communication electrician veterinary okay nanti jang steward ek jalan kam jang steward head constable steward 12 pass class 12 dan pendep ya diploma duration of 2 years in catering in kitchen management from institution and a working experience of duration of minimum 1 year. Kita lightly dan kam 12 pass diploma and working experience ban apply nanta ka steward te ban apply nanta ka communication head constable communication page nanta ka snemro kare khat pra do lai at news nem at new fa nail pol pil par do life art nem h mo kan ma wa ke h kadai khat pra hadu life art nem plus h relaxation no then namtaka communication kare 12 pass in science tang beri science physics chemistry and mathematics from recognized board or should have a 3-year diploma in electronic or communication or computer science or information technology from a recognized institute tehang ni la tho or takamud ba class 12 ru kila ban apply we hane hajrong ki don lai tri option don or re tehang ni don or takamud ba either you class 12 science or either you have diploma in electronic te kawi ni kila ban apply lara de pass class 12 science physics chemistry and mathematics philap na apply namta communication lara ada diploma 3 years diploma ro philap na apply namta ka neka communication electrician te namta ka electrician gitu gi balai electrician pass class 10 2 years work experience mau and respective trade they have done here experience certificate lani orang tu atha 1 year certificate course from recognized industrial training ITI la neknu gi jika training or 2-year diploma from recognized industrial training most qualified trade test teran kam nakum no tang artali pas class 10 bat ka experience ane class 10 certificate 1-year certificate course lane 2-year diploma kawai artali ni ne kawai ka class 10 bat kawai ni ki cindap most kamut ba artali nagine de bandon gasten bat kawai ni ki experience certificate na diploma kawai kedemdon te laban apply then coba ko apply am ta veterinary pada 12 pass with science kini science and biology as main subject from a recognized board and artali mo pass process 2-year diploma artali kane process 2-year diploma te kane ka last date arpo tarik hi class date te sakan mo wan le ka ba don kam man pendep te kane ki ba class 12 science ka communication to science kila ban apply te kini ki web de don kam certificate but class 10 pass dan class 12 pass te ki ko ban apply kan mo le kam kloin marang ne on 30 days from the date of publication tak mod ba arpo tarik kasang kamar hadu arpo na arpo tarik hi songat kom ki banai ki badan laran ki badan live foi tu hadu arpo dan live mod hadu arpo Tes kan mau kita tingin pe ya ka age pada age selection lah kan mau sans name te wede hadu live for ars name. Selection process kan non issue ka physical test you have mare 1.6 km in 6 minutes nam ta shinrang contain 800 meter race in 4 minutes. Ada orang tu dapat qualify dan poi ka exam ta ka hat chuan ko ka hat nam ta kilon la ka jong ka hat nam ta ka stewards ka hat kan day 155 cm nam ta kishinrang 147 nam ta ikanthai ma 155 cm nam ta kishinrang dan nam ta head constable communication 12 sayan sungina 162.5 baro de 162.5 kanthai 150 ma 162.5 nam ta ka communication electrician 162.5 mat nam ta ka veterinary 162.5 ka hat nam ta ki schedule strike kan mau hai kata. Dan ladap hipas jika ketika physical test pin pois ka written examination kanan part 1 and part 2 te ko we gare san phoma ko we gare 100 marks phaban qualify phaban yo loknu sau pusan marks sejong 100% sejong kham hai hi ban ayu da dab lang tu break sapoi se shaka skill test only for the post of head constable nam head constable electrician haban kam skill test. Dan dalam tu break sapoi suka medical remedical ter bila dapat kau apply select dulu dapat website dan dengan buka link description masa apply nam ta kini kipus kita kini hiki jemput kuliah